jumping up and down the floor. My hair is an animal, and once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. The son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say. She ran down the forest slopes, the forest of talking trees. They used to sing about the birds and the bees. The bees had declared a war. The sky wasn't big enough for them all. The birds, they got help from below, from dirty ponds and the creatures of snow.
Els nostres companys han preparat aquestes actuacions amb molt d'esforç i motivació, als quals val la pena mirar amb molta atenció. Que per favor, l'únic que deman és que tingueu molt de respecte i pregar en silenci, si no la nostra tutora, Polònia Fontanet, que no sé on és ara, no s'havia vist, vos convido a sortir de fora. Creatures lie here, looking through the